In this tutorial we will find out cantilever beam deflection or displacement. Here you will see maximum and minimum displacement. So let's start to create this simple SolidWorks simulation. Now here let's take a simple exercise in SolidWorks simulation. See here, problem 1, an aluminium tube with outside diameter of 2 inch and inside diameter of 1.5 inch is cantilevered and loaded as shown in figure. Find the deflection at B. Material 7079 aluminium. Look, this is the cantilever beam. It is actually a tube, XY direction. This length is 24 inch and deflection at B. We applied 500 kg at point B. So we have to find out how much deflection at B. Okay, remember material 7079. So let's do this. First we will create an tube. I am going to change unit. From here change IPS, right plane sketch, and I am going to activate here line tool. 24 inch enter. Press escape key to out. See, this is 24 inch long. Exit and activate weldment features. From here you can activate weldments. Now activate structural member, standard inch pipe, and here I am going to select any one because I have to change the profile diameter. Now this is something different. Say OK. Now from here you can change. See, click and edit sketch. Simply select the see actual how much. Simply delete it. Yes. Activate circle. Let me here 2 inch enter. Again start from center point. Again start from center point. 1.5 inch enter. Press escape key to out. See, just simply exit and you will see this is our. Now let me hide this. Now we need to apply material, but before going to apply material, let's activate simulation, SolidWorks simulation. Go to add-ins, activate from here. It will take few seconds. Now select new study, general simulation static. Now give the name, and this is going to be, we are going to find tube deflection study. Okay. Now we selected static. Say OK. Now here we have point joints at both end. Now see, this is the pipe. Right click and edit apply material. The first step, just go to aluminium, come down 7079 alloy. You will see all the properties here. Simply apply, close. Now here we apply material. Next step, I am going to apply connections. We don't need connections here. Simply go to a fixture. So right click, fix geometry. Now one face we have to fix. So here activate fix, and I am going to select this. Select this joint. Now it seems okay. Let me do one thing. Is smaller. So go to symbol, and from here let's say 250. Look, this looks bigger. Even though you can edit color from here, but we will keep as it is. Say OK. Now let's apply. Right click, load, force. Now here you will see the selections. Choose joint because this is a joint. Select this joint. See, here we selected. Now here we have to choose a plane or face, or for reference I am going to select top. Unit I am going to say metric. Now here see normal to plane forces. 500 kg. Now look, it seems very small, so change reverse, come down, symbol setting, and here also change size to 50. Look, now it looks bigger. See, now everything we applied, weight 500 kg force, say okay. Now either you can apply mesh or directly activate, run this study. Now look, there is a huge deflection. Now this is stress, go to displacement. Now double click on that, and here you will find few things. Unit I am going to find in inches. Okay, now this is automatic deformation scale, see 2.62 something. Here activate true scale. Okay, now display, I want resultant display. Okay, chart option, show minimum and maximum deflection. You will see here, come down, and here I am going to choose floating, so that we will get a very sharp point. Decimal point you can increase or decrease, so I am going to keep as it is. True scale, say apply. Now see, once you apply, you will see minimum or maximum displacement deflection 0.915 inch. You will see in orange color. Right click, animate. Now look, the maximum deflection you will see here. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.